Stepping looks like aligning with the mission. He said to them, "Come, follow me, and I will make you fishers of men." Matthew 4, verse 19. So, mahirap gumalaw, mahirap mag-step if hindi malinaw sa'yo kung saan ka ba aapak. Come and follow me, and I will make you fishers of men. So, ito yung mission na binigay sa atin ni Lord. And if hindi siya malinaw sa atin, magiging mission impossible siya. Come means invitation. So, narinig nyo na to sa mga word ni Pastor Bob. Come means invitation. So, inaanyayahan tayo ni Lord na lumapit. Ibig sabihin, come. Diba? Follow means obedience. Come, follow me. Hindi ka lang tinawag ni Lord, hindi ka lang in-invite ni Lord, diba? Pero sabi niyan, follow me. I will make you means His will, not mine. Last is fishers of men. So, fishers of men, it means clear vision, clear mission, di ba? Come, follow me, I will make you fishers of men. If hindi ito malinaw sa atin, itong mission na ito is magiging imposible. Tanong naman ngayon is, tutugon ka ba dun sa panawagan ni Lord sa atin? Tutugon ka ba dun sa go and make disciples?